An adhesive socket holder is a practical and convenient tool designed to keep sockets organized and easily accessible. It is typically a small device made of durable materials, such as plastic or metal, with an adhesive backing that allows it to be securely attached to various surfaces. The primary purpose of an adhesive socket holder is to eliminate the frustration of searching for the right socket amidst a cluttered toolbox or workbench. By providing a designated spot for each socket, it ensures that they are readily available whenever needed. This organization not only saves time, but also reduces the risk of misplacing or losing sockets. One of the key features of an adhesive socket holder is its versatility. It often comes with multiple socket size options, accommodating various metric or standard measurements. The holder usually has individual compartments or slots, each specifically designed to snugly fit a particular socket size. This design allows users to arrange their sockets in a logical and systematic order, making it easy to identify the required size at a glance. The adhesive backing on the socket holder is designed to be strong and reliable, ensuring that it stays firmly in place during use. The adhesive is often resistant to vibration, ensuring that the holder remains secure even in challenging environments or when subjected to movements and impacts. Some adhesive socket holders may also have additional attachment options, such as keyhole slots or mounting holes, for more versatile installation. Adhesive socket holders come in various configurations to suit different needs. Some are compact and designed for personal use, while others may have larger capacities and are ideal for professional mechanics or technicians. Additionally, some holders have built-in labeling systems, allowing users to mark each socket slot with its corresponding size or designation, further enhancing organization and ease of use. Basically, in a nutshell, an adhesive socket holder is a practical accessory for anyone working with sockets and wrenches. By providing a neat and organized storage solution, it helps streamline tasks, saves time, and reduces the frustration of searching for the right socket. Whether for personal or professional use, an adhesive socket holder is a valuable tool that promotes efficiency and tidiness in any workshop or toolbox. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.